How to download apps in iPhone without payment method. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily download apps in iPhone without any payment method. So first thing, just head over to your settings and click on your profile, that is your iCloud option account, and just scroll down until you see the media and purchases option. As you can see, I don't have any payment option set it up over for my account, so you can just click on this media and purchase account. For this you will require your face identification, so make sure you are inside of that. Once you click on this media and purchases, there is an option called require password. You just need to disable it. So once you do that, just come back to your profile settings once again and scroll down until you see this screen time option over here. Just tap on this, and from over here scroll down and click on this content and privacy restrictions. So once you click on it, just click on this iTunes and App Store purchases. Just tap on this and make sure you have allowed this installing apps button over here. So once you do that, you can easily download apps in iPhone without any payment from your App Store. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.